Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself hoping that when you make a change in one specific Excel workbook, it doesn't crash and kill off all your other workbooks in the process? Well, today I'm going to show you a nifty little trick to open multiple instances of Excel. This simple method changes how you work with troublesome and extremely large Excel files. Today we're talking Excel multi-workbook magic. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your Productivity Pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Now, is there any regular user of Excel here who hasn't experienced the not responding window? For everyone that has, and most definitely has lost other workbooks, fear not, my friends. Here we see the Excel has frozen and we need to click to restart the program. And when you open an Excel workbook, press and hold the Alt key on click or right before it starts loading. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to start a new instance of Excel. Click yes and it loads up a new workbook instance. Click the workbook you want to open, and if it's like this one, which is quite large, it'll take a bit to open. But now that it has, let's go see what's going on by opening the Task Manager. Here we can see two instances of my workbooks, one for each of my open files. Now if I actually click to end one of these instances, say my large file, I still have my other file open there, and I don't have to worry about my work getting lost. And that's really all there is to it. Simply press and hold the Alt key while opening a workbook to say yes to a new instance of Excel. It's a quick and easy way to manage multiple Excel workbooks or instances and enhancing your productivity and work efficiency. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you!